could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars.
Hey guys, so we've been out on a little adventure. Thought we would share with you one of our favorite things. It's our electric bikes. They're called Swag cycles. So hope you guys enjoy. So we were looking for something that we could get. We looked at the trikes and we looked at the foldable bicycles and stuff like that. So we were trying to find something we could just zip around the park in. We thought maybe we could go into town. I'm not sure these bikes are that great for that sort of thing. They go 10 miles an hour. It takes 4 hours to charge them. And they probably only last, I don't know, Carl, a couple hours, full throttle. You're only gonna get.
Yeah, they go 10 miles at 10 miles per hour. So
10 miles per hour. So, you know, it's not like it's gonna take you on a little tour of the city or anything like that. But for zipping around, zipping up to the store, picking up some firewood, those kinds of things, you know, they're really cool for that. We got them at Home Shopping Network, but they're called Swag Cycle. You can get them from the site, and they were $300 a piece. So when you look at the electric bikes that run about $700 a piece, this is considerably cheaper.
700 or more. Some of them get as high as 2,000 a piece.
Oh, well, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
But for $300, we kind of thought, well, let's give these a try and see what we think. And you know what? We really like them. They're low to the ground. They feel a little, I feel very secure in it. I don't feel like I'm going to get hurt, although I'll save that story for another time when I fell off of it once. So we won't go there right now. But
Oh, come on.
So for right now, though, we just wanted to kind of give you guys an overview of these and why we like them and why we think they're pretty cool. But there's a little horn. There's a headlight. You turn it on with a power button, and it's got if you come here, Carl, and show them the setup. So it shows you full when all 4 of the green lights are there. It means that it's on a full charge. You have handlebar brakes, and there's a throttle, just kind of like a motorcycle, and it's pretty touchy, pretty sensitive rather. So you just, you know, turn it like that, and boy, it'll just take off. So there's a kickstand. We leave them plugged in most of the time when we've got them around camp, and we've got a bicycle lock for them. We lock them up to the camper. Oh, and this is really cool. Watch this. I never remember which way they go.
It's opposite of what it seems like it should be. Here, I'll do it if you'll take the camera.
Okay, if you come over here, or here, I'll just spin the bike. So there's a release right there. You pull that up, and you flip that down, and then the handlebars just fold down to the side like that.
And they fit in the front compartment of the camper, easy peasy.
Yeah, and then there's just enough room right here for you to get your hand, and you just pick them up. They weigh about 45 pounds a piece. Usually when I pull them out, I'll carry both of them to get them set up in camp. And literally putting the handlebar back in place is as simple as that. And you're ready to go.
So we know it's a short video this week, you guys. We were thrilled to be able to get out of the house and go camping for a little bit. And we love this park, so we've been spending a lot of time just enjoying being here. And we just wanted to give you a quick overview of our bikes and this campground. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe, and share. And if you're wondering about what's happening to my face, I call this my COVID beard. I'm not going to shave until COVID is eradicated. So anyway, thanks for watching us.
Thanks,
stay
guys.
safe, stay healthy.